Are you ready to cook the pasta, father?
I'm ready.
Let's go and cook the pasta. Let's
Cook
go.
the pasta.
Okay. Hey, what are you doing on the road there?
Hey,
Get
Ciappello.
off there, Ciappello. Hey, what are you doing? And why are you not moving away? Oh my God, you are stalling all the traffic, the flow. What is this unnecessary, eh? Unnecessary. Where are we going, Dad?
It's my herb garden.
Okay. Oh, your herb garden, is it?
Yes, my herb garden.
Oh, right. Oh, okay.
So here we have my herb garden with rosemary, basil, mint, and thyme.
Oh, right. Okay. So
Today we're going to be using rosemary.
Oh, okay, rosemary. Right, let's do this. All right, nice. Thanks, Dad. Hello, welcome to Nico's cooking class, episode 3. Today we have a special guest in our kitchen. He is my father. He is my very own father, and he will be joining us today in cooking a pasta. So today we are gonna do the Bolognese. It's a traditional recipe from my great grandfather's mother, and but the recipe has been it has been passed down all the way to my father over here. Everybody give a round of applause. Why don't you come up, your father? So you can see.
Hello. Wow, what are we doing?
Okay, so let us start. So first what we need to do is we need to have the ingredients. So we will show you all the ingredients that you need to know to have in your pasta. What you need to have is a good extra virgin olive oil. And then you need to have some chopped carrots, some chopped onions and celery. And then you would need to have a good, nice big bowl of meat, minced meat. So what herbs do we need today, Dad?
Can't beat a bit of herb. Today, Chef Nico, out of our herb garden, we have rosemary and oregano, expertly chopped.
Yes, it's nice and fine from our herb garden. Also, we have a knob of butter.
That's right, you can't beat a knob.
Once you have your garlic chopped up, we can go ahead and start cooking the dish. Is that right, Father? Can we go ahead?
We can go ahead.
All right,
Chef
let's go.
Nico.
All right, so first you need to put a little bit of olive oil in the pan.
Oh. Okay.
All right, now we're supposed to put our carrots in. All we have here is diced carrots, some celery, and some onions. So first we're gonna put the carrots in. Get them nice carrots in there. Look at that, smelling so good. Hey, Father.
Smells good.
All right, now we're gonna put the.
Smells good.
Now we're gonna put the celery inside. Oh, smells like heaven. And then finally we put the onions in. Give it a bit of a stir. We gotta keep it busy, and we have to remember to sweat it off when you put it in the pan with the olive oil. Remember, all the flavors will slowly go into the oil, and when you make it a sauce, it will all dissolve inside it, and that's what you want. You want all the flavors to be mixed well. That's how we do it in Italy. You know, my great grandmother. That's how she's done.
I think you missed out a few grapes.
Look at how good that looks. So simple. So simple to make. Just put a little bit of veggies in there. And oh my God, you can smell it so good. So good right now. So now what my father, we just made a vegetable stock, which is basically all these vegetables, fine, fresh vegetables. And we are draining all of it in for the vegetable stock that we are gonna use later. How fresh does that look? Oh my God. Fabuloso. Alright, so once you put the garlic in, it's looking all good. You don't want it to be there too long. It's time to put the beef. Alright, and now we want to put our beef inside. So let's go ahead and smack that bugger in. Oh my God. Oh. You can smell it from miles away. From Milano to Venice. Oh, It smells so good and delicious. So, oh, my grandmother would be so proud of me. No, I mean my great grandmother's father's mother. That's it. Yes, yes. Thank you, Father, for reminding me.
You're welcome.
We have a saying in Italy, es el munrelo de el morro del pesos, which translates to, when you cook a beef, it is a good. That's basically what it means. Beef is like a part of the soul. You know what?
It's also part of a cow.
It's also a part of the cow, but more importantly, it's a part of the soul. When you cook the beef, you have to be one with the beef. And you got to remember, never, ever, ever be a long bean.
So now you have to wait until the meat is browned off. So just keep stirring until the moisture's gone, and then you want some caramelization on the meat, because that's where the flavor is.
Ooh. And the flavor.
Flavor.
Oh my God. Father, you are so right.
Flavor.
But most importantly is, you have to cook it with a love.
Yes.
And that is the most important thing today, guys. What I want to share with you is you need to cook with the love and with the passion and with your heart, because that is where all the real flavors come from. It's not about the ingredients, it's about your feeling towards it. Alright, now we're putting in the tomato puree sauce that is going to go in to the meat. So now we have the ground beef and we have the tomato puree. So we're gonna have to stir that around. So now my father is adding in the vegetable stock that we prepared nicely just now. Now once you added the vegetable stock into the mix, you just want it to simmer down for a couple of minutes. And then let it reduce as you put it on a heat, and slowly it will be better and it will be more refined. One of the final steps that you need to do is you need to add some of the canned tomatoes that my father is going to show you now. And remember to get the whole ones. The whole ones are much better than the diced ones because they oxidize. There we go. Perfecto. Now once you add everything in the dish, you want to let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on how much you have. And then you're just going to let it boil and reduce down until it becomes a nice and thick sauce, and make sure all the ingredients and the goodness of the loving that you put in all comes in together really nicely, and it's good sauce. Isn't that right, Father?
Correct.
It says my Italian father says it's correct, it means it's correct, you know?
Correct.
Okay, now we're gonna make the pasta.
Slow down. Fuck's that? Some fucking bug. Wait.
Okay, and now once you get to your dough, it's time to start kneading, So when you knead, you want to push out as much as you can and then fold it back. And then turn it around 90 degrees and do the same. So push, pull it back, turn it, and do the same thing again and again, Use the two hands, because you need to use two hands when you do this, because you need to make it with love. And you cannot use a pasta maker because that is not the love that you are looking for. No, you have to use your hands and put the passion into it, right, father? That's right. That's how you do it in a pasta. You have to use your passion, and oh boy, oh, that feeling so good. Look at that.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Beautiful. Like my wife.
One more.
She's beautiful like the pasta.
One more for the pasta. The tagliatelle. Look at this. You know, coming through. Oh my god. Looking so fine. And there you have it, guys. It's a good pasta. As we both made. It's in fact right, Fada.
That's right.
Beautiful. Okay, now we've come to the end of our video. Our pasta is cooked perfectly, as you can see here. Oh, it is so beautiful. Look at that, the pasta is al dente, it's beautiful, it's made by love, with me and my familia, eh? Isn't that right, my familia?
Correcta.
Correct. It is good. Look at that. Look at it. Oh, you can smell the freshness in the pasta. Oh, it's feeling so beautiful. Oh my God, alimento el mundo. Oh. And now, after we cook the pasta, and we have our sauce over there, what are we going to do? We're going to put it in the sauce. Alright, let's do that now, eh? Look at that, guys. We have come to the final part of it. Come here, Dad. Eh? We have come to the final part of this video. Thank you very much for joining us today in making this superb pasta, eh? Pasta Bolognese. This is what you call a perfection in the world, eh? So as we see, we put the pasta inside the sauce, and now we have a authentic Bolognese pasta, eh? Thank you Father, for teaching me all the way. And,
You're welcome.
Alright, now we are gonna say goodbye to all our viewers. Say bye-bye, Father.
Ciao, 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 ciao. Ciao bello, ciao bello.
Grazie, grazie.
Grazie, ciao bello.